Dear viewers, today I gonna teach you some important quotations in which is necessary for any competitive exam, like fair is foul, foul is fair. It is written by William Shakespeare in Macbeth. All the world's stage and all the men and women merely players. It is also William Shakespeare. As you like it, when you are born we cry that we come to this great stage of fools. As you like it, written by William Shakespeare. I must be cruel only to be kind, thus bad begins and worse remains behind. It's Hamlet, written by William Shakespeare. Heard melodies are sweet, but those unheard are sweeter. It is written by John Keats in Ode on a Grecian Urn. To err is human, to forgive is divine. It is written by Alexander Pope. Poetry is breath and final spirit of knowledge. William Shakespeare. Poetry is the spontaneous overflow of powerful feelings. William Shakespeare in Lyrical Ballad. It's a very important quotation and well-known quotations. Those who are in the literature students. Fools rush in where angels fear to treat. Alexander Pope in an essay in criticism. A little learning is a dangerous thing. It's also written by Alexander Pope, and the same as in essay on criticism. He prays best who loves best. Samuel Taylor Coleridge or S.T. Coleridge in The Ancient Mariner. O lady, we receive but what we give, and in our life alone does nature live. Samuel Taylor Coleridge in Rejection. And I have promises to keep and miles to go before I sleep, written by Robert Frost, in American writer. It is written by Robert Frost in his Stopping by Woods. Good fences make good neighbors. It's also Robert Frost in Mending Wall. Wives are young men mistress, companions for middle age, and old men's nurses, by Francis Bacon in Of Marriage and Single Life. Opportunity makes a thief. Francis Bacon. A wise man will make more opportunities than he finds. It is also Francis Bacon quote. For God's sake, hold your tongue and let me laugh. John Donne. The Canonization. This bed thy center is, these walls thy spear. John Donne in Sunrising. Better to regain in hell than serve in heaven, written by John Milton in his great epic in Paradise Lost. A good book is the perilous lifeblood of a master spirit, written by John Milton in his Areopagitica. It's a pamphlet. It is a truth universally acknowledged that a single man in profession of a good fortunes must be in want of a life. John Austin. Pride and Prejudice. Man is by nature a political animal. It's quotation by Aristotle. Truth sits upon the lips by dying men. Matthew Arnold. Poets are the unacknowledged legislature of world. Percy Bysshe Shelley or P.B. Shelley. There are two tragedies in life. One is not to get your heart desire, the other is to get it. G.B. Shaw, Man and Superman. Natives to be the most pernicious race of little odious vermin the nature ever suffer a curl upon the surface of the earth. Written by Jonathan Swift in his Gulliver Travels. Insist on yourself, never imitate. Every great man is unique. R.W. Emerson. Self-reliance. So that's all for my sessions. That's it. I keep watching and listening and learning. Stay safe, and please subscribe these channels and press the bell icon. That's why you can never miss any updates. Thanks.